Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a paper airplane. So, how you do it, make sure you fold your paper the long way. Grab your paper, put it onto the corner. Put it onto the corner. And once you put it on the corner, put your pointer finger on the corner. Make sure it's pretty pointy. Put your thumb there, and then you switch hands, and then with your pointer finger, you slide down. And then with your nail, you flip like that. And then with your nail, you just go across the line. And then you open the thing from the back. Once again, put the folder like that to the side. Make sure it's pretty good. Like that. Make sure to turn it sideways. Aiming right in front of that. And then you want to do it until it starts pushing the other side. Make sure it's not on top. Can be, but it's just going to be pretty bad. Well, once you do that, you want to fold the paper in half. It doesn't need to be perfect. This side doesn't need to be perfect. Just, oh shoot. And then you just fix the corner a bit. You want to grab the corner and put this side to the bottom, like that. Just put it like that. The back doesn't matter. Flip the paper over. Put it like that. And then there you go. Hold it, open it, hold it from the bottom. Didn't really take my time, but could be better. Now I take it out for a test. Oh my god, here's the airplane. Alright, so the test. How good does it fly? This paper airplane. Let's see how good it flies. That's pretty good. Not perfect, but it can be better. But I'm pretty sure it flies good. Oh damn, that miss, 100%. I just shoot it across the house. Yoink! Straight up nosedived it. Oh my gosh, my dog's going crazy. Don't know if you see. That's my dog. He's going literally. Yeah. Alright. You good? You good? Got paper airplane? Wanna go? Go. Go. No, I'm not gonna do it. Come on inside. Come inside if you wanna come get it. Here's your butterbean. Look at the fan. Look at the viewers, Cole. Look at the viewers. Oh my god, alright. So, there you go. This is how to make a paper airplane. Straight up, mine sucks. But let's go.